prodigal sons.
How y'all doing today? Have God been good to you? I promise I won't be long. Is that all right? Now, we want to wish the Sounds of Faith a happy anniversary. May God bless you with many, many more. I want y'all to do me a favor. Just go with us for a little while. Is that all right? All right. Give yourself a hand. I don't know what you come to do. Oh, yeah. Is that all right? We want to ask y'all a question today. Oh, yeah. I don't know what you come to do. Now, can we tell y'all what we came to do? Y'all ready? God has been good to us. This is what we came to do right here. Oh, I come to clap my hands. I come to clap my hands. God has been good to me. Have He been good to you? That ain't all. But this is what we came to do. I come to stomp my feet. I come to stomp my feet. The joy of the Lord said it is my strength. I come to give Him praise. Is that all right? Listen here. I come to give Him praise. God has been good to me. Help me all day. The joy of the Lord. Hey, I'm going to give Him praise. I got the victory. I don't know what you come to do. Is that all right? Now listen, growing up as a little boy, I remember coming to church Sunday mornings, and there would be a deacon sitting on the front pew. We done growed up now, and we don't have church like we used to. Have I got a witness? There used to be testimony service. They don't do that no more. They do praise and worship. They look right over your testimony. But see, back in that day, that deacon used to jump up out of his seat and he would say something like this. He said, give it on to the God, who is the head of my life. God has been good to me. And see, after 6 days and 6 nights, that same deacon will come back this Sunday morning and he would say, he'll jump out of his seat again. That's a testimony service is now open. And that deacon would jump up here and say, he'll say, give it on to the God who's the head of my life. God has been good to me. And see, the next Sunday morning he'll come on back and he'll say it again. He said, give it on to the God who's the head of my life. God has been good to me. Somebody said, Deacon, why you? The trustee walked up to the deacon. The trustee said, Deacon, why you keep saying the same thing? And that deacon looked at him. He said, listen, boy. This is why I say the same thing every Sunday. He said, believer, testify, while I have the strength. Say it again, say believer, testify, while I have the strength. Should we say it again? Say believer, testify, say while I sing, while I have the strength. That's why, because I may not have another chance. Yeah, come on, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Say believer, testify. I said while I sing, while I have the strength. Y'all don't like this kind of singing, but it's all right. Say believer.
testify.
Said while I'm still,
While I have been saved.
Said again, said believe,
Believe I'll
testify.
testify.
Said while I'm still,
While I have been saved.
because I
May not
may not have. I don't know about you today.
change.
Yeah! Can I say my part this? When I was sick and couldn't get well, He healed my body. Now I can tell. Can I say it again? When I was sick and I couldn't get well, He healed my body. Hey, now I can tell. Say, believe
I'll
testify.
testify.
Said while I'm still.
While I have been
We get ready to leave you now. Hey, say believe
I'll
testify.
testify.
While I'm still.
While I have been saved.
Because I don't know about you. May not have this chance. Get God in mind. We get ready to go now. But I want y'all to have some touch with us. Come on, put your hands together. Say believe
Testify.
Believe y'all.
Testify.
I said believe y'all.
Testify.
I'm giving honor to God.
Giving on to God.
He's the head of my life.
The head of my
God has been good to me. Woke me up this morning. Started me on my way. I seen a brand new day. Good God Almighty. Somebody said to me when I got out of my bed, I was able to wave, able to wave my hand. God has been good to me. God has been good to me. I was able to walk. I was able to walk. My feet begin to testify. My feet begin to testify.
Testify.
Yeah!
Testify.
Oh! Makes me want. Yes, sir! Oh! Makes me want.
Testify.
I said testify.
Testify.
When I got out of my bed,
Testify.
I had a brand new sound.
Testify.
My feet couldn't stop.
Testify.
It was just like fire.
Testify.
Shut up in my bones. Oh!
Testify. 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 Oh, testify. Oh, testify. Testify. Oh, testify. Testify.
I need here.
Testify.
Know that God has been good.
Testify.
Don't you be ashamed.
Testify.
Don't you be ashamed.
Testify.
Let me see you testify.
Testify.
Let me see you testify.
Testify.
Have it really been good to you?
Testify.
Have it woke you up?
Testify.
Is that enough to
Testify.
give God some praise?
Testify.
While you sit with your cute self,
Testify.
you ought to testify.
Testify.
Yeah!
Testify.
I want to testify.
Testify.
Come on over here, Joe.
Testify.
What will you say?
Testify. Testify. Woo. Testify. 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 Woo. Testify. Testify. Testify.
I could have been dead.
Testify.
Even on in your grave. My God, He may not behave.
Testify.
I just got to tell it.
Testify.
Have it been good to you?
Testify.
Have it been good to you?
Testify.
Can I see your hand?
Testify.
Can I see your hand?
Testify.
If God really been good,
Testify.
if God really been good,
Testify.
get up on your feet.
Testify.
Get up on your feet.
Testify.
Give my God some praise.
Testify.
Give my God some praise.
Testify.
He didn't have to do it.
Testify.
He didn't have to do it.
Testify. Testify. Testify.
It made me roar. Makes me wanna
Testify.
I wanna testify.
Testify.
I've been good to you.
Testify.
I've been good to you.
Testify.
Started you on the way. I wanna testify. I wanna testify. Testify of His goodness. When I walk on His arm.
Testify.
Yeah.
Testify. Testify. Testify.
Testify. Show how good God been to you. Yeah, makes me warm. I don't know about you, but God been good to you. Makes me wanna. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, clap your hands. Clap them a little bit loud. Clap them a little bit loud. And God been good. Oh, say.
Testify.
I wanna testify.
Testify.
I wanna testify.
Testify.
We gotta go now, y'all.
Testify.
I know what time it is,
Testify.
but God has really been good.
Testify.
When I walk out,
Testify.
when I think of Him.